Hello and welcome to a complete tutorial on how to downgrade your Grand Theft Auto 4 onto a version 1.0.7.0 that will work with modifications. So what you want to do first of all is, if you have this game downloaded, right click the game, go to manage, go to browse local files, right? Have this open, okay? The GTA 4 folder, this whole thing, GTA 4, have this open. Now what you want to do is go to GTA 4 and completely uninstall it. Yes, this is necessary. Press uninstall and just completely uninstall Grand Theft Auto 4. You need to do this. This tutorial is for the complete edition, so that is what I am doing. Now you want to go into your folder and Grand Theft Auto 4, you want to update here, and it will still have a bunch of stuff probably, or it might not, but if it does, press delete on that folder and delete that entire folder, and then you can install the game once again. So just get that installed. Alright, so after you have installed the game again, it will probably take a little while because it is a 20 gigabyte game, but it is necessary to do this, so definitely do it. After you have done this, you can now press play. You have to do this. You have to play this game once before you actually install the downgrade. You have to play it once, only to the main menu. You don't need to go into the actual game. Just get to the main menu and it will tell you if you want to play GTA or if you want to play the episodes from Liberty City, and instead of pressing any of those, you can just press quit and you are good to go to the next step. So just do that now. So after opening the game and then immediately closing it again, you can now head to the link that I have in the description below, and then go to that link and you will find a Google Drive page where you can press download, and then you will download the file. It's about 100 megabytes, and then when you've got that file downloaded, we can go to the next step. Alright, so after you have downloaded the file, open it up in your whichever archive explorer you have. I would recommend using WinRAR, but 7-zip will work just as well. Now, there will be 3 files in this. One is a Windows program that you will need to have installed. It's just a Windows codec, basically, and you need to install this before you do the rest, because otherwise the files won't be able to talk to Windows, and as a result they will not start. So that is definitely important to install that. I've already done so, but you just double click that and go through the instructions. It's very easy. But after you've done that, you now want to head over to the GTA folder. So if you don't know where that's located, go to your disk wherever you have Steam, and then go to Programs, onto Steam. Then you want to go onto Steam Apps Common, and then you will find Grand Theft Auto 4. Right? Open the Grand Theft Auto 4 folder and go into it. So you want to go to Common, Grand Theft Auto 4, GTA 4, and this is the folder you want to be in. Now open the 1070, because we are installing version 1.0.7.0 for the best mod support. Press Ctrl A to select all of the files and then drag them into this folder here. And then it will ask you to replace 39 files. Press replace the files. Don't press any of the others, just press replace the files. And then when it has done that, you have now successfully downgraded GTA 4. When you open it now, it will not open through Rockstar Game Services. It will just immediately open, and you are now ready to install GTA 4 mods without compatibility issues. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.